Coming to you today with a fun little video, something I've been wanting to do ever since this whole pandemic started, but we never got a chance to after Mardi Gras. But something real special in Louisiana and New Orleans between Mardi Gras and Easter is we throw down with some crawfish. Today we're doing a crawfish bowl. Come take a look at this. We got 35 pounds of Louisiana live crawfish, and we are gonna do a big boil today. We got potatoes, we got andouille sausage, we got garlic, onions, we got corn. We're gonna do it big, and this is gonna be a lot of fun. I got to get to cleaning these bad boys, so we'll see you when we're doing some cleaning on that. Alright, we're gonna open this bag up, see what we're working with. Hello there, boys. Y'all ready to do this with me today? We're gonna have some fun. Everybody gonna behave? Oh yeah, we got some big ones too. Look at that fella. He's a good one. Let's dump this out. Y'all reckon we got enough? That looks awesome. Yeah, I'm super stoked. All right, we're gonna run water over them for about 20 to 30 minutes. It's gonna, and keep them stirred up so that they purge out all their dirt. And we're gonna open the drain plug on our ice chest, and that's what we're gonna get to. See you in a minute. Look at that big old guy. How's that for a thumbnail? Did you get a good one? Mm-hmm. Alright, so we got our crawfish purging. That's just running water right into the cooler. We got the drain plug open, so all that dirty water, you see how dirty these crawfish are? And they are filthy. And you can go ahead and pick out any dead ones. That way you know you're not cooking, and the dead ones is gonna float. So they're easy to find. You can feed them to your dog. But see how it's coming over the top now? That's good too. You just keep the top down so none of them crawfish can crawl out or nothing. Make sure your drain plug doesn't get clogged up with a little crawfish. And you basically wanna run this water until it's clear. Clear as drinking water, because then you know your crawfish are clean and they're ready for the boil. So we're just waiting for some clear water. Just a quick update. Just wanted to fill y'all in on what's going on with Rooster's area back here since last time I made a video. Big Chief got some updates. We got the smoke box. We got the front folding shelf. We got those at Rectech Fest 2020. That was a good time. We sold the Matador to kind of open up some space back here. I really wasn't using it for much, and what I was using it for was frying foods, and just wanted to get away from that. I got the Bullseye Beta over here. Let y'all take a good look at that. This is an updated Bullseye for me. My wife also got me the cast iron for it, and that looks really cool and it gets really hot. Put us up a dartboard, threw away those junky chairs, and just kind of opened up the space a good bit. So we're liking it a lot better. Let's get back to those crawfish. Alright, we got our crawfish over there resting. They're happy and healthy and clean. And we're going to start seasoning up our water for our boil. So the first thing I got going in is this Louisiana Crawfish Boil packet. And then on top of that, we're going to put 3 bags of Zatarain's bag seasoning. And we're gonna do just about a quarter of the bottle of liquid crab oil. All right, we got 4 or 5 big onions, a bag of lemons, a couple of whole cloves of garlic. And we're gonna get all that down in there. Onions in, then we'll squeeze our lemons. It's gonna be good. Whole bunch of garlic. And we'll squeeze our lemons. I know we didn't put much seasoning in there. That's because we're saving a lot of the seasoning for when we put those crawfish in. This seasoning will just be for our potatoes and sausage and corn. And the onions and garlic, of course. You're going to squeeze all your lemons in there and throw the whole thing in there. Buddy, this smells so good. While I'm doing that, I sure have missed y'all. Sure y'all missed Rooster. I ain't made some videos in a while, but I'm happy to be back. Got my area all cleaned up and got a bunch of ideas for cool things I want to do for this channel. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel and just came across this video looking up crawfish boil, hit that subscribe button for me. You know, let me know this video helped you out down in the comments, or any of the tips and tricks you want to let me know about. It's always helpful. There's a million different ways to make a crawfish boil, and this is just the way I've always done it. All right, we'll be back when we're putting in potatoes. One more thing, almost forgot my secret ingredient. That is the frog bone seasoning from Louisiana. Awesome, awesome, awesome spicy stuff. And we're gonna put it in this whole container. This stuff is awesome. There we go. We'll get that stirred in. See you in a little. All right, we've been boiling about 20 minutes. We got some real flavorful boil. We're gonna get our potatoes in now. I got my little helper here. He's gonna make sure everything goes smooth. Up. Good. Good job there, boss. Yep. All right. We'll be back for the sausage in about 8 minutes. All right, we're ready to put our sausage in. We'll get down in there. All right, that's our sausage. That's going to add a lot of flavor to this boil. And then all we got left to do is get the corn in here in a couple more minutes. And we're going to dump this stuff out and start doing our crawfish. Okay, we're back to add our corn in. This is frozen corn. It's going to soak all that juice up. It's going to be really spicy and delicious. We're going to bring this back to a boil and give it another 20 minutes or so, and then we'll be back to dump it out. Good job, buddy. You're not fit. All right, we got our potatoes and sausage and corn all done. We'll pull that out and let it drain. My arms are not as strong as they were before the pandemic. All right, we're gonna go over to our table and lay this out. strong for these crawfish, we're going to start with cayenne pepper. We're going to put a good bit in there. You don't have to be scared. Here's our liquid crab boil. We're going to go with the rest of that. The rest of the frog bone, we're going to hammer that in there. We want these crawfish seasoned up. Smells good. Then we got 6 more bags of Zatarain seasoning going down in. So we're gonna put the top back on. We're gonna let that boil for a couple of minutes, and then we're gonna be putting crawfish in this thing. All right, here you go. This is what you've been waiting for, the money shot right here. Let's get these jokers down in here. Y'all ready for a swim? Crawfish in. They're looking good. Get them stirred around a little bit. We're going to get this back up to a boil and boil them for 5 minutes. Should take about 8. So we'll come back when they've been boiled for 8 minutes. Alright, so we've had them, took about 3 minutes to get to a boil, and we've had them boiling for 5. So what we're going to do now is cut off our flame. Open her up, see what we're working with. Oh yeah. How do those look? And I am going to throw this bag of ice in there. Almost melted. And we're going to drop the temperature to about 150 degrees in there. And that'll keep the crawfish from continuing to cook. And then they'll just sit there and soak up this juice into their bodies. If you see they're floating at the top right now, look, they're already starting to absorb. And when they all sink to the bottom down there, that's when we know they're done. About 15 to 20 minutes. So we're gonna let that just set, and we'll come back in about 20 minutes. Crawfish boil. Come on and take a look in here. Notice they've all sunk down to the bottom. A couple of them haven't, but let's pull these up. They have sucked up all that juice, and these are gonna be good. Here's our crawfish boil. See how good they look? Really healthy crawfish. Let's go and give one a try. There's that good stuff. Oh yeah. These came out perfect. Try this recipe. You can't go wrong. You can add or take away or do whatever you want, and you'll have a blast. This was a lot of fun. Glad y'all checked out my video, and we'll see you soon for the next one.